All right, let's begin with our stored procedure. I'll open new tab. Please make sure whenever you're creating stored procedure function or views, we need a warehouse which we have created previously, right? If you look warehouse here, right? This is under the warehouse. Otherwise, you might not get the new SQL query window because we need query window in order to fire these. Now let's begin by creating the stored procedure. I'll explain what this is all about. I'll control C it. I'll control V paste. I'll now run it. So basically we are using an I'll say um, stored procedure is like a reusable script with parameters, or basically procedure accepts a customer name and returns all purchase for the customer. So this is powerful because it lets us automate queries and reuse them with different inputs. So this looks good. We got the success. That means our stored procedure is now created. Technically, our stored procedure should be listed here. And there we go. We have given this name SP get customer purchases. So in real life projects as well, we mention stored procedures with SP followed by the underscore the stored procedure name. So we generally use camel casing like here if it is multiple words to understand what the stored procedure does. Now let's validate our stored procedure. I'll open new SQL query and the command is simple exec. I'll just copy it and paste it. If you notice, exec space the stored procedure name we need in order to invoke this stored procedure. Here we are specifically targeting the customer Amit. That's why I've inputted Amit here. Let's hit the run and see the results. And there we go. The customer name, it's Amit. So it's basically we are calling the stored procedure with the customer's name is Amit, right? What we do in SQL, select star from table name where a customer name like Amit or is Amit, something like that. So that's what it's basically displaying. So that's what the concept of stored procedure is all about. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next lecture.